In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see business account on Revolut. We'll walk through exactly where to find your Revolut business account details and how to locate the intermediary BIC that's often needed for international transfers. I'll show the path on both web and mobile so you can follow along on whichever you use. Start by heading to Home on the main menu. On mobile, Home sits in the bottom navigation bar. On the web dashboard, you'll see Home in the left sidebar. Home is your starting point because it gathers your balances and makes it easy to jump straight to the account you need. From Home, the next action depends on your device. If you're on the web, click your current balance to open your account's overview. If you're on mobile, tap Accounts to see the list of your business currency wallets. This is where Revolut Business shows every currency account you've created, like GBP, EUR, or USD. Choose the specific currency account you're working with. Revolut Business can hold multiple currencies, and each one can have its own set of receiving details. Picking the right currency matters because international payments need to match the currency of the account you intend to use. If you manage several accounts, take a moment to confirm the correct one by its currency and label. Once you're inside that currency account, look for the Details option and select it. This is the panel that exposes your formal banking information such as account numbers, IBANs, bank addresses, and BICs. Treat this section like a bank statement. It's designed for sharing with trusted payers, but shouldn't be posted publicly. Within Details, switch to the Global SWIFT tab to find the intermediary's BIC. BIC stands for Bank Identifier Code, and it helps route international SWIFT payments through the correct network. Many banks outside your local region request this intermediary BIC to ensure the funds pass through the right correspondent bank. If you also see a local tab, that one is for domestic or region-specific payments. The Global SWIFT tab is the one you want for cross-border transfers. Copy the intermediary BIC exactly as shown and share it with your payer alongside the rest of the SWIFT details when they ask for international payment instructions. Quick recap. Open Home, go to your accounts view by clicking your balance on web or tapping Accounts on mobile. Select the currency account you need, open Details, and then check the Global SWIFT tab for the intermediary BIC. That's all there is to it.